My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I'm here in my home office. I worked at IRS for 10 years, and that's why it's pretty important that you listen to what I have to say because I was the IRS. I've been on several national news stations. Go to my website at 777irs.com and you'll find all my national interviews there. Tax debt relief programs, my God, they're everywhere. If you owe IRS tax debt, God forbid you click on a link, people are going to follow you all around over and over and over. They're going to follow you all around saying there's this program here, there's this program here. Well, as a former IRS agent, I worked the only tax debt relief program, and that's called the Offer and Compromise. There is no other program. It doesn't go by another name, the Fresh Start Tax Program. It came out a long time ago, I think 13, 14 years ago. It wasn't much then, and it means nothing now. It's clickbait for you now. So if you see Fresh Start Tax Debt Relief, you know to get out of there because it's advertising bait, it's clickbait. So the only tax debt relief program is called the Offer and Compromise. So if you're going to do some due diligence or some looking, or you want to hire a firm, they need to specialize in offer and compromise. Now, what are you going to find next? Everyone does offers and compromise, or they claim to. But one of the problems that you have, there's probably maybe 5% of all the people that you see are on the internet are proficient in this. The Offer and Compromise program is predicated usually on two things: what your assets are and what your income and expenses are. As a former agent, I used to work that Offer and Compromise program. A matter of fact, I was a teaching instructor back in my day of the program, so I know it backwards and forwards. IRS does a lot of due diligence regarding that program, so you don't want to just file one frivolously, and you don't want to go ahead and apply for one, pay 20% only to have it rejected. And that's where a lot of the scam companies or people that think they can do offers, you really got to go to a true firm when you're doing that. I look at some of these ads and they just crack me up. I have a lot of people that got ripped off by saying, oh yeah, we can get your case settled. In reality, they had too much equity in their home and their case was going nowhere and they got ripped off. A matter of fact, that black cat is your good. That's a mechanical cat. I push a button, he goes back and forth when I want him to. Anyway, look for the Offer and Compromise program. There's a pre-qualifier tool for IRS. You can go and Google IRS pre-qualifier tool. It'll give you a good idea. What it doesn't do is it doesn't give you the planning, the necessary planning for the Offer and Compromise. That's why if you go to someone who really knows what they're doing, like me, someone like me, you'll get a really good chance of knowing if you're eligible and what's your lowest liability or what's your lowest amount of money you can pay IRS and walk away. Anyway, give me a call if you need me. I am one of the true professionals in this industry, and my credentials speak for themselves. Thank you. Don't forget that subscription. I appreciate you.